2002 Mercury Mountaineer 4.6. Came in, no start. Checked fuel. We checked fuel pressure, checked ignition, spark. Both of them was good. So the only thing was left to do was pull off the valve cover. As you can see, that bad boy is missing some rockers. Look down in there and the end result is rockers broke. They cast. The new ones you'll get are pressed steel, I believe. Should be a lot better quality. You can pick them up for AutoZone, O'Reilly, another parts vendor as well. You might be dealing with a little bit of a chain rattle at the same time. And if you look down in there, you can see that. You see that chain guide right there, broken, allowing the chain to flap and possibly slip the timer, so you need to correct that. But you got a 4.6, won't start. Check compression as well. That's how we found out we needed to go under there. Forgot to say that. Compression, you gotta check it. But compression was good because obviously the valves was closed. So, broken rocker arms. I don't believe it was due to oil pressure and no sludge. This motor has 300,000 on it and it looks pretty clean in there. So, good engine. Just gotta fix them. I'm out.